Hello everyone, let's learn the alphabets. This is the A to Z animal's name. Let's start. This is the A. A is for alligator. Alligator. This is a alligator. This is a B. B is for bear. B is for bear. This is a C. C is for cat. C is for cat. This is a D. D is for dinosaur. D is for dinosaur. This is a E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. This is a F. F is for fox. F is for fox. This is a G. G is for gorilla. G is for gorilla. This is a H. H is for horse. H is for horse. This is a I. I is for iguana. I is for iguana. This is a J. J is for jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. This is a K. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. This is a L. L is for lion. L is for lion. This is a M. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. This is a N. N is for narwhal. N is for narwhal. This is a O. O is for otter. O is for otter. This is a P. P is for penguin. P is for penguin. This is a Q. Q is for quail. Q is for quail. This is a R. R is for rhinoceros. R is for rhinoceros. This is a S. S is for squirrel. S is for squirrel. This is a T. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. This is a U. U is for unicorn. U is for unicorn. This is a V. V is for vulture. V is for vulture. This is a W. W is for wolf. W is for wolf. This is a X. X is for xrus. X is for xrus. This is a Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. And last one is a Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Bye bye everyone. Keep learning and keep practice. Bye bye.